Captain, we have a situation. Our content feeds are absolutely drowning in noise. It feels like those long-form videos we spend hours creating just aren't turning into the snackable clips we need. Copy that. We're on it. And honestly, the world of AI-assisted video editing has shifted under our feet in just the last 12 months. We have seen tools that can write your essays, swap your face onto viral memes, and even auto-compose entire soundtracks. But the real question is, what actually helps us get more reach while saving precious time? Today, I want to walk you through a modern workflow for transforming those long videos into short, shareable clips. Tools like Runway ML are undeniably cool, but if you're focused on batch-making clips and scheduling them, Vizard might be the smoother path. So before we dive in, let me ask, how do you feel about AI touching your editing timeline? Are you loving it, hating it, feeling nervous, or just plain thrilled? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments, and let's keep it civil, because this stuff is changing fast and your opinions really matter. Alright, let's stop stalling and dig into the details. First, a quick look at the landscape. There are tons of AI tools out there for creators today. Some are brilliant at pixel-level tricks like removing a background, erasing a person, stabilizing shaky footage, or creating slow-motion effects. Runway ML, for instance, has a massive library of features for inpainting, motion tracking, and text-driven color grading. Those tools are fantastic when you need to manipulate a single clip or create visual effects that are normally tedious. But here is the reality. Most creators don't just need one specific trick. They need systems to keep their channels active. If you're a podcaster or a streamer, your recurring problem is turning hour-long sessions into dozens of shorts. Doing that manually in an editing program, even with AI, still eats up days of your week. This is where a tool like Vizard comes into play. I'm not here to be a walking brochure, but if your goal is to automate the tedious parts, finding viral moments and batching edits, this is the path. Vizard's whole point is saving time and keeping your channel consistent without feeling like you are selling out. Think of it like this. Runway ML gives you magic tools for tweaking frames, but Vizard is built for scale. It is built for finding the golden bites in long videos and turning them into ready-to-post shorts. Here is what a typical workflow looks like when you want to grow without burning out. Step 1. Upload the long video. Whether it is a 90-minute podcast or a simple live stream, throw it into the platform and let the AI analyze the entire file for you. The AI reads the transcripts, detects scene changes, and identifies speaker energy or emphatic delivery. From that data, it proposes a set of bite-sized clips that are perfectly optimized for social media platforms. Step 2. Review and tweak the clips to your liking. The software doesn't lock you into its choices. You can adjust the framing for vertical or square formats easily. You can add captions, drop in a branded intro, or include a call to action. The key is this. You go from a long, intimidating video to a library of clips in minutes, not hours. Step 3 is where the distribution magic happens. This is where Vizard separates itself from single-feature tools by letting you schedule clips to publish automatically. Tell the system how often to post, and it handles the timing for you. No more manually queuing posts or hunting for gaps in your calendar. There is a content calendar built right in so you can visualize what is going out and reshuffle items if needed. Why is this so valuable? Because consistency is absolutely everything on social media. One long video a week can become 30 short clips a month, drip-fed to your audience. That is the fundamental difference between a channel that barely grows and one that scales. Let's compare a few practical differences between using a tool like Runway ML and using Vizard. If you want to remove a background or create ultra-slow motion, you will absolutely love the pixel-savvy nature of Runway ML, but those are clip-level fixes, not a system for finding the parts of your video that people will actually share. Runway's web-based processing offloads work from your machine, which is a major upside of cloud tools. Vizard, on the other hand, focuses on edit templates, caption automation, and smart reformatting. It gives you a one-stop system for turning raw content into an ongoing social feed. Instead of spending your energy on export settings, you spend it tweaking messaging and hooks. Let's look at a concrete example. You recorded a 75-minute interview. Vizard scans it and finds 25 potential clips that are punchy or funny. You delete a few, refine the hooks on the others, and hit auto schedule. Over the next month, those clips post automatically, saving you hours of work. Here is another example. You live streamed a gaming session. Vizard detects the hype moment, creates a 30-second highlight, and adds captions automatically. If you wanted to add cinematic slow motion, you could still download that asset and finish it in another app. They are complementary tools, not exclusive ones. Another important point is audience context. The AI doesn't just look for loud noises. It tries to find parts that are actually shareable. It looks for takes that answer questions, land jokes, or end with a neat payoff. Let's talk about control, because I know creators want that. Yes, you can let the AI do the work, but the platform understands you like to tinker. You can customize templates, fonts, and even the AI's sensitivity to what counts as a clip. The content calendar becomes your command center to rearrange or delete posts easily. What about the trade-offs? Nothing is perfect. If you need frame-perfect effects, you will still want a traditional editor for those specific shots. Also, automated clips sometimes need a little human nuance. Think of Vizard as the heavy lifter that gets you 90% of the way there. For creators on a budget, that 90% is a total game changer. Instead of spending entire afternoons repurposing, you are planning your strategy. Some other features people love include auto-captions and multi-format exports. Analytics also show you which clips are driving views, so you can train the AI better. So what's the final takeaway? Use the right tool for the right job. If you are doing complex masking or ultra-smooth slow-mo, Runway ML is the move. But if your core problem is turning long-form content into a pipeline of shorts, Vizard is designed for that. I'll be doing a follow-up where I take a 60-minute podcast and convert it into a month's worth of content. Which combo would you rather see, automated clips only or automated plus some polished standouts? Vote in the comments and let me know your current workflow. Are you doing manual chopping or hitting it with every AI under the sun? Thanks for watching, and if you are swamped with content, this pipeline is worth checking out. It might just give you back hours in your week so you can make more stuff that matters.